today I'm going to take you through two types of chain stitch. First of all, traditional chain stitch. So you're going to bring your needle up and then down in the same hole, hold onto your loop and bring your needle up inside that loop and then pull gently, and then down in the same hole as you just came up out of, catch your loop again and continue like that across the line. And to finish off your row, all you're going to do is bring your needle down just outside your last loop to catch the end of it. Now, the second technique I'm going to teach you is called reverse chain, or I've seen it called cheats chain stitch. So come just slightly inside the line of where you want to start, bring your needle down, and then do one single detached chain stitch to start your line off, like so. And then you're going to bring your needle up behind the first stitch and slide your needle underneath the first loop and then back down in the same hole. So up a little way away, slide your needle under the last loop and then down in the same hole, and continue like that across the line. So there we are, that was the two basic ways to do chain stitch. You can see that my reverse chain stitch is slightly neater than my regular chain stitch. That's because I have most practice with the reverse chain because I find it easier. But it's really down to personal preference which one you prefer to use.